All right. So I'm going to start off with our known company opportunities. It has been reported that we have a decrease in sales, failed business deals, a weak campaign as far as marketing, and a decrease in new customers, and also a decrease in online traffic. How can we improve? This brings us to my topic of relationship management by your IT manager, Marshawn McConnell. What is CRM? Customer relationship management. It is a category of integrated driven software solutions that improve how you can interact and do business with your customers. CRM systems help you maintain and manage customer relationships, track sales leads, marketing, um, and deliver actionable data. Why CRM? The benefits include extensive customer data, which basically means the system will have a whole history of customer trends and habits, even those you had acquired before installing the system. Customer oriented products, just basically mentions that the system will not only have a basic purchase history, but all the details of the customers so you can track purchase details and resources of the customer. And we also have service ready, meaning the system groups customers according to their price group preferences, product preferences, and location. With this information, you can smartly allocate customer managers or account managers to different areas. And just to fast forward, we also have optimized conversion probability, which means that we'll be able to uh, track down the time of day each customer is more likely to visit a site and make a purchase. There's also a benefit of retention of customers, and this will be able to give mindful client assistance by reacting to demands. And there'll also be an increase in sales by streamlining and improving the sales process, building and sales pipeline, I'm sorry, automating tasks and analyzing your sales data will inevitably lead to one outcome: increase in sales and sales productivity. So CRM integrates with email, marketing, social media, messaging, and telephony, as well as live chat. So that means basically we'll be able to provide personalized and direct marketing contact to prospective clients through email. With social media, we'll be able to increase customer faucet with centralized information, and as well as with messaging, we'll be able to stay connected with our customers. And with telephony, we can make outbound calls faster. And with live chat, this will capture all the information of our customers, including email, address, telephone numbers, time, and chat, as well as IP address. How is the CRM implemented? Data is collected, then it's segmented and stored. Then the data is available to access by authorized people. Then the data helps analyze customer behavior. And then the system offers solutions to effective, to efficient digital market marketing according to the trends. And then finally, the system offers suggestions to enhance the customer experience. There are three different common types of CRM: operational CRM, collaborative, and then analytical. Operational is just the holistic one. It's it basically tackles marketing, sales forces, service automation, and customer interactions. With collaborative, it's the glue because it synchronizes and integrates the customer's interaction and channels of communication. With analytical, it works behind the scenes by taking data from various channels to make it available. So the vendor I chose was actually HubSpot. HubSpot has it has 4 different products that we can add to them to make our CRM experience a better one, which is the Marketing Hub, Sales Hub, Service Hub, and just the CRM Hub, CMS Hub. Um, just to just get a little background with marketing software. It helps you grow traffic with sales. It helps you get a deeper insight into perspective. Service Hub basically allows customer service software to help you connect with customers, and the CMS Hub is the content management software that's flexible for marketers. One of the great reviews about the hub is that it's free to use without the features, and the sales tools can help you get a greater understanding of your sales pipeline. And there are actually 300 different third-party applications you can integrate with, and there's a flexible app integration that allows you to um, basically have advanced contact tracking system and sales pipeline in the software. And these are my sources that I use to look up our CRM that we are desperately needing to handle all of our company opportunities. So I hope we are able to convince our CIO to getting us that CRM system have a better to have a better company. Thank you.